For a long time, the idea of artificial intelligence seemed simple. You would ask a question, the AI would answer, and the conversation would end there. But this model might be changing quickly. Instead of a single AI trying to do everything, the future might be an entire teams of agents working together, debating, fact-checking, correcting mistakes, and performing tasks in parallel. And it's exactly in this direction that XA has just taken a very important step. In the new GROC 4.2 beta, you can now create AI agents to work simultaneously to solve a problem, each one with a different role. One can research, another can analyze, another can fact-check, and another can review answers. And if you're on the most advanced plan, called Super GROC Heavy, that number can reach a real swarm of up to 16 agents collaborating at the same time. Instead of a single brain trying to do everything, you start to assemble a small team of fully customizable digital specialists who discuss among themselves, correct each other, and work in parallel to come up with better answers. In other words, AI stops being just a tool and starts working as an entire team for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and set up these agents so they become your favorite employees. But first, subscribe to the channel and give us some support here. And you can also watch the videos without ads. Just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Starting March 17th, #Trainamentos Consumer Week will begin. And look, this is the big Black Friday of the first half of the year. # is one of the largest training companies in Latin America and has a single goal: to help you stand out in the market, whether it's to grow within your company or to do well in the selection process. #'s courses teach the main tools and skills needed in the job market, such as spreadsheets, data analysis, and programming. There's Excel, Power BI, Python, artificial intelligence, full stack, and much more. And the best part is you can start from scratch with no prerequisites. And during this Consumer Week, # will launch the biggest course promotion in its history. All courses will have more than 50% off. Don't miss out on the Black Friday of the first half of the year. Just click the link in the video description or scan the QR code on the screen. So don't waste time, hurry up and take advantage of # Consumer Week. Well guys, today I want to share with you this news that has just been announced by the folks at XAI. Listen up! Now you can have a personal team of AI agents working directly for you at Grok.com, and it's something you've never seen before. GROC 4.2 beta comes with a native system of 4 international agents, in addition to a huge swarm of 16 agents if you're on the Super GROC Heavy plan. You can customize each one individually so they can debate, check for errors, correct each other, and work completely in parallel based on their own settings. So what's going on here? In the past, we had a single AI model. You would enter a question, ask it to perform any kind of task, it would think and give you the answer. But not anymore. With this new system from XAI, besides having several agents working at the same time, you can customize these agents, which is really cool because everyone has different needs. So if you're a teacher, a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, you'll need a specific agent or several of them to perform a certain task. This works really well when you're working in different fields, because an AI that's working today for a doctor might not work as well for an engineer, for a lawyer, and so on. So here, now we can customize these agents so that they work together and communicate with each other. Because it's no use for me to be a teacher and have an agent in my AI that's working for a doctor, for example. It won't work properly. Not here. I can customize it, and I'll show you how easy it is to do that. So let's go. After you enter GROC, according to what they said, for now this feature is available when you activate GROC 4.2 beta here using this switch. From what I saw on XAI, these agents are available, at least for now, only on paid accounts, so you still can't access them on free accounts. But Elon Musk himself said that this feature will also be available for those who don't pay anything. Let's wait and see. So let's go. Once you're in Grok, go to Settings and click Customize. When you do this for the first time, you already have this agent here called GROC. You can't change this one. You can only customize it. For that, you click here on the little pencil. Notice that you can't change the name, but you can give some instructions to this agent here. This is the only one, and you can't change it. You can customize it by clicking here, then you write here how this agent should act, or you can choose one of these tags: concise, formal, Socratic, and understanding. So here you already have these presets for how this agent will operate. If you don't like any of them, just click on custom and then you write how your agent will behave. Alright? So this one can't be changed. Now, with a regular paid account, not the super heavy one, you can create up to 4 agents to work with. If you have a super heavy account, then you can create up to 16 agents, which is a lot, alright? So I created a teacher, an analyst, and left this last one for us to create together. See what the teacher does. You should analyze the answers. Check the spelling and meaning of the sentences. That's it. I can delete or edit if I want. The analyst. You should act like a software professional who tests code before delivering it. So that's cool because instead of having a general purpose AI that does everything, now I have an agent that will work specifically on this task that I'm giving it. And finally, here on my paid account, I can create one more agent. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to call this agent here photographer, and now I'm going to give it the instructions. You should act as a professional photographer, delivering high quality images at the highest possible resolution. Pay attention to lighting, composition, and the prompt to deliver the best result. That's it. I'll save my instructions here. So notice that now I have 4 agents working for me. Grok, which is the default one, and you can only change its personality, a teacher, an analyst, and a photographer. And then you can switch between these 4 agents. If you don't need the teacher anymore, just click on them, then come here, delete, and create a new agent. How do I use it now? It's very simple. You will come here to the model selector, turn on the switch for Grok 4.2 beta, and select specialist. Why? From this moment on, when you request a task, it will gather the agents to give you the best result. So you need to follow these steps to activate the agents. Then you can type the task you want here. First, I'll show you what I've already managed to do. In this prompt here, I asked it to create a text about Newtonian physics. Then it thought for 44 seconds, and you can see that some agents I had created earlier worked together to deliver this result to me. So, I had the leader here, then the analyst, the teacher, each of them performing a task. Take a look at the task assigned to the analyst. The user asked to create a PDF file about Newtonian physics. Since I'm a coding specialist, the best approach is to deliver a complete Python script using FPDF2, a lightweight and reliable library. I need to create good content in Portuguese plus stable code. Then it went back to the leader again and then he called the teacher. The user asked to create a PDF file with text about Newtonian physics. Since I can't generate and attach a PDF directly here, the best approach is to provide a well-written text, formatted in Markdown with formulas in KTX. Grok can present the complete text and complete and guide the user to copy it to a text editor, Word, Google Docs, and so on. So notice that at each step of my process here, a task was assigned to a different agent, and in the end, it delivered this result to me. So I have an image, all the text that was written, other illustrative images here, more images, practical applications, and the conclusion. Look how cool it turned out. So instead of having a single AI working alone that I created, were used to deliver this result to me, which is really cool. Now take a look at this other example. Create a modern landing page for my AI startup called Neutron. Use a matrix-style theme with responsive buttons and smooth navigation. He thought for 36 seconds and activated the following agents. The first was the analyst. The user requested a complete landing page for Neutron, an AI startup with a matrix theme. Then comes the professor. The user requested a complete landing page for Neutron, an AI startup with a matrix theme. The page should be in Brazilian Portuguese, since the request was made in that language. So first he activated the analyst to identify exactly what code I was asking for, and then the professor, who identified that the page should be written in Brazilian Portuguese. And then he continued developing the project, distributing the tasks to each of the agents I created. And in the end, this was the result. Look at the page he created for my startup called Neutron. Notice that I have the matrix theme here just the way I asked, with responsive buttons, everything working perfectly. Now let's do a test with that photography specialist I just created. I'm going to upload an image here. I'll use this old photo of the Minari family. So my prompt will be the following. Using the instructions below, restore this image, and these are the instructions. That's it. I'll send my command. Notice that the agents here have already started thinking. It's dividing up the tasks. First, it triggered the professor, now the analyst, and now the photographer. Let's see what result it will deliver to me. Look at this result here, how good it turned out. So, once again, the Grok leader here distributed the tasks. The professor identified exactly what I wanted. He passed it again to the analyst, went back to the professor, and then handed the next task to the photographer. I received the user's request to restore a vintage family photo. Then he started analyzing my prompt and said the following. As a professional photographer, I suggest delivering the image at the highest possible resolution with special attention to soft side lighting on the faces and a centered group composition, and fidelidade histórica nas cores. Here is the delivered result. So he managed to restore that very bad black and white photo of mine and brought me a fully restored image. And if I'm interested in this, if I click here on executed code, I can already see the Python codes that were used to restore my image. So guys, try it out. This new feature, in my opinion, is really good because I can create exactly the type of agent I need. If I'm a teacher, if I'm a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, I tell this agent how it should work, what instructions it should follow, and from there I have a leader who will distribute these tasks to deliver the best result for me. So, what did you think of this idea? Could this really be the future of AI, with several specialized agents working at the same time? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!
I've been